Welcome to our channel where we dive deep into the latest gear for all you adventures. Today we are exploring the top choices for younger riders, whether it's a stroll around the neighborhood or a fun ride in the park. Finding the right scooter for your little one can make all the difference. From safety features to durability and design, we have got you covered with our list of the 7 best options out there. Let's kick things off with our carefully selected lineup, perfect for the younger adventures in your life. At the first position of our list, we have the Jetson Jupiter Kids Scooter. This scooter is a beacon of fun, designed with vibrant LED lights that makes every ride an exciting adventure, especially as the sun goes down. This foldable scooter isn't just about looks, it's built with practicality in mind. Its easy-to-use folding mechanism makes it a breeze to store and transport, perfect for families on the go. The durability of the Jetson Jupiter is noteworthy, crafted to withstand the rough and tumble play of kids, ensuring a long-lasting companion for the outdoor escapists. Moreover, the Jetson Jupiter provides safety alongside its eye-catching design. The LED lights aren't just for show, they increase visibility, keeping riders safe during evening rides. The scooter's steady frame and responsive brakes add another layer of safety, giving parents peace of mind. When it comes to usability, the scooter shines. Its adjustable handlebar grows with your child, ensuring a comfortable ride regardless of their height. The smooth gliding wheels make it suitable for various terrains, from sidewalks to paved paths, making it an excellent choice for children looking to explore their world on wheels. At number 2, we have the Gotrax KS1 by KS3 stands out with its 3-wheel design, offering unparalleled stability for young riders just getting the hang of scootering. This model comes alive with LED wheels that not only captivate but also enhance visibility during twilight adventures. The adjustability of the KS1 or KS3 is a highlight, catering to kids as they grow with an adjustable handlebar that accommodates varying heights, ensuring a comfortable and ergonomic riding experience over the years. From a design perspective, the Gotrax KS1 by KS3 marries aesthetics with functionality. Its lean-to-steer mechanism encourages balance and coordination in developing children, making it more than just a ride but a tool for growth. The quality of construction speaks volumes about its durability, with a robust frame capable of supporting riders as they advance from tentative pushes to confident glides. The scooter's wide deck provides a stable platform for little feet, enhancing safety and confidence with every ride. Furthermore, the LED wheels aren't just about safety, they add an element of fun, encouraging kids to play and exercise more. Whether navigating through the neighborhood or taking on park paths, the Gotrax KS1 or KS3 offers a smooth, stable ride, making it a fantastic choice for parents seeking a scooter that supports their child's development and ensures a joy-filled journey. Next up at number 3, we have the Razor A Kid Scooter. The scooter is an icon in the world of children's scooters, known for its lightweight yet durable aluminum frame that promises years of reliable use. Its foldable design underscores its appeal for families on the move, making it effortless to carry and store. The scooter blends simplicity with performance, offering a smooth ride that appeals to kids of all skill levels. The Razor A is a testament to the balance between quality and usability. Its adjustable handlebars ensure a perfect fit for riders of various ages, promoting comfort and control. The scooter's patented rear fender brake is not only intuitive but also highly effective, providing a safe means for kids to slow down and stop. Durability is a given with the Razor A. Its aluminum construction withstands the rises of daily use, ensuring that it remains a staple of outdoor play for years. In terms of design, the Razor A stands out with its classic look, appealing to kids and parents alike. Its ease of use is unparalleled, with a no-assembly required approach that gets kids on the move quickly. Whether it's a dash to the park or a leisurely ride around the block, the Razor A delivers a seamless, enjoyable experience, making it a beloved choice for children ready to explore their surroundings. The number 4 position is held by WAYPLUS Kick Scooter, foldable, large wheels to 40 pounds max. WAYPLUS brings innovation to the kids scooter market with its kick scooter designed to cater not just to children but to the whole family, thanks to its impressive 240 pounds maximum weight capacity. The foldable design makes it an excellent option for storage and portability, while the large wheels ensure a smooth ride across various terrains, from urban sidewalks to park paths. The scooter is built to last, boasting a sturdy frame that can handle the wear and tear of daily adventures. The design of the WAYPLUS kick scooter is both sleek and functional. Its adjustable handlebar accommodates riders of different heights, making it a versatile choice for families with kids of various ages. The large wheels aren't just for show, they provide stability and ease of maneuvering, making this scooter ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. The foldable mechanism is simple yet secure, ensuring the scooter can be easily transported without compromising on safety. In terms of usability, the WAYPLUS kick scooter stands out. It's designed with comfort in mind, featuring a wide deck that allows for a relaxed stance, reducing fatigue during longer rides. The scooter's ability to support a higher weight capacity opens up the fun to almost everyone, making it a perfect choice for family outings or solo adventures. The number 5 position is dominated by Micro Mini Deluxe. This product stands out for its innovative design and superior quality. This 3-wheeled marvel is specifically engineered for children aged 2 to 5, making it a perfect fit for your 4-year-old. The lean-to-steer mechanism is a highlight, encouraging kids to use their body weight to navigate, which not only makes steering a breeze but also significantly enhances their balance and coordination. The scooter is built with durability in mind, featuring a steady deck and high-quality wheels that promise a smoother and safe ride. The adjustable handlebar allows for scooter to grow with your child, ensuring years of fun and mobility. The wide color range and sleek design make it an attractive choice for any younger rider. Furthermore, the Micro Mini Deluxe has been recognized for its safety standards. The low-to-the-ground deck and stable steering contribute to a safer riding experience, making it an ideal choice for parents prioritizing the child's safety. The scooter's lightweight design makes it easy for kids to manage and offers a gentle introduction to the world of scootering. At number 6, we have the LaScoota 2-in-1 Kids Scooter. This scooter is a versatile and engaging option for young children. What sets the scooter apart are its LED wheels that light up as your child rides, adding an element of fun and visibility, especially during the evening. This feature not only makes the scooter appealing but also enhances safety by increasing visibility. The scooter adjustable height feature is a standard, accommodating your child's growth and ensuring a comfortable ride at any age. The 2-in-1 design allows for easy transition from a ride-on toy to a scooter, catering to different stages of your child's development and skill level. This adaptability makes the LaScoota scooter a smart investment for long-term use. Quality and usability are at the forefront of the LaScoota design. The scooter boasts a sturdy frame and durable materials capable of withstanding the vices of everyday use. The wide deck provides stability, while the lean-to-steer mechanism encourages balance and motor skills development. It's an excellent choice for parents looking for a scooter that combines fun, safety, and practicality. Last but certainly not least, at number 7, we have the Voyager Kids Scooter aged 3 to 5. Designed with young adventurers in mind, this scooter caters to kids aged 3 to 5 and is a perfect fit for your 4-year-old. The scooter features a wide deck, ensuring a stable and comfortable ride for little feet. The addition of light-up wheels not only captivates children's attention but also adds an extra layer of safety during twilight adventures. What truly makes this scooter stand out are the character themes available. From superheroes to cartoon favorites, these designs make the scooter more than just a ride. They turn it into a personal statement and a source of pride for your child. This personalization encourages more frequent use, aiding in the development of physical skills and outdoor play. Durability and safety are paramount with the scooter. The robust construction ensures it can handle the bumps and scrapes of learning to ride, while the effective braking system provides peace of mind for parents. The lean-to-steer design is intuitive for young riders, promoting balance and coordination in a fun and engaging way. That wraps up our tour of the best scooters for the young adventurers in your life. Each option brings something unique to the table, from dazzling LED lights to robust designs that grow with your child. Choosing the right scooter means more than just fun. It's about safety, durability, and creating lasting memories. Ride on and explore the world with confidence.